Mining occurs all over the world and isn't limited to just coal and gold. Let's dig up the details and see what commodities are mined in the U.S. Coal is the most mined commodity in the U.S. with 594.2 million tons of coal unearthed in 2022. This coal came from 548 mines operated in 22 states, with Wyoming and West Virginia being the top producers. Considering the U.S. consumes 515.5 million tons of coal annually, it is no secret that coal is important for America's energy sector as a fuel to generate electricity. Known for its conductivity, copper is used in electrical wiring, electronics, and construction. It is also one of the critical minerals used to manufacture solar panels, wind turbines, electric vehicles, and their batteries. Demand for copper is expected to nearly double by 2035. In 2023, the U.S. produced 1.1 million tons of copper, with Arizona as the leading state. A symbol of wealth and prosperity, gold has captivated humans for centuries. 170 tons of gold was mined in 11 states in 2023, with Nevada and Alaska producing the most. Essential for the production of steel, which is the backbone of infrastructure, manufacturing, and transportation, iron ore is another commodity mined in the U.S. Minnesota and Michigan were the top producing states in 2023, mining 44 million tons of iron ore. Increased demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy has made lithium emerge as a vital resource. Lithium is a key component of rechargeable batteries commonly used in laptops, cell phones, and electric vehicles. Currently, there is only one lithium mine in operation, but 2 more are in progress. All 3 are in Nevada. One of the lesser-known commodities mined, molybdenum is used to create steel alloys to increase their strength, hardness, electrical conductivity, and resistance to corrosion and wear. In 2023, the U.S. produced 34,000 tons, making it the 4th largest producer globally. There are 8 mines spread throughout Colorado, Arizona, Montana, and Utah. Jewelry, utensils, and fine art are all obvious uses of silver, but the metal is also utilized in industrial applications due to its conductivity, ductility, malleability, and high sensitivity to light. Fast-growing electronic segments such as solar panels, LED lighting, touchscreens, RFID tags, cellular technology, and water purification all use silver. The U.S. mined 1,000 tons of silver from 12 states in 2023. Alaska provided the most silver, followed by Nevada. Uranium was primarily used as a colorant for ceramic glazes in the past. Now it is used to power commercial nuclear reactors that produce electricity. U.S. uranium production peaked in 1980 and has decreased in recent years due to low prices. There are 4 uranium mines in the U.S., all located in Wyoming and Nebraska, that produced 46,619 pounds of uranium in 2023. Phosphate is vital for agricultural fertilizers. In 2023, 20 million tons of phosphate were mined in the U.S. This came from 9 mines in 4 states, with Florida and North Carolina accounting for 75% of total domestic output. The remaining phosphate was mined in Idaho and Utah. Whether it is underground, surface, placer, or in situ mining, Dixon's offering of pneumatic and hydraulic components, heavy equipment refueling nozzles and receivers, and fluid transfer products and accessories can help with any challenge. By offering a comprehensive range of products, we aim to minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and guarantee maximum uptime for underground mining operations. For more information, visit the mining market page on our website. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.